Now we're going to look at how to move or rename a file. So sometimes you come up with the initial name of a file, and over time things change and you realize that the name you initially chose maybe wasn't that great, or the location of where it is relative to other files maybe isn't the best choice and you want to rearrange things. So we're going to start by going to the JOLTS assignment 6 subdirectory in your working copy. And here you will see that there's a hello.py file, and the version control system is happy. All the files are here. You haven't made any modifications. But if we look at what's in the program, it's not really a good implementation of hello because it actually prints goodbye. So maybe goodbye.py is a better name for this file. So again, you might be tempted to just say, well, I'll rename it. And that works. The file's been renamed. And it's a better name because it's consistent with the program, what the program does. But if you do svn status, the version control system isn't very happy because there's supposed to be a file called hello.py. It's missing. So it has an exclamation point next to it. And there's a file goodbye.py, which it doesn't really know anything about. So it's unversioned and has a question mark next to it. So this isn't the best course of action. So we're just going to move it back. And now the version control system is happy, but we still really want to change the name of the file. So we need to do an svn move, and we're going to give it the original name of the file and the new location or name of the file. So it works kind of like move in Linux. It's just moving it in the version control system instead. You'll see that it has added goodbye.py as a new file, and it's going to delete hello.py as an old file that should no longer exist. And you may think, well, I could have just done this myself. I could have, copied the file, deleted the old one, and then added the new one after that, or something in that sort of order. The nice thing about this is that the version control system will keep track of the full history of this file, even through name changes. So in the future, if someone wanted to know what was in this file, they could follow that history back, even though the names of the files changed, because the history gets moved along with the actual contents of the file. So now that we've indicated or staged the move here in the working copy, we need to go ahead and commit that back to the version control system. So we'll give a descriptive name for what we're doing or why using the commit command. It's adding, deleting, and now we see that instead of hello.py, we have goodbye.py, and there's no output from svn status, so this working copy is consistent with what's been pushed back to the server, and we've successfully moved or renamed this file.